Hey guys, welcome back to Bite the Book. Today we're going to go through August 29th and August 30th. So, um, you know, as always, we'll start off with the hourly, make our way down to the 5 minute, and just break down some technical analysis. I might go through a few trades that I did too, just through those 2 days, and then yeah, you can leave some comments down below and just let me know what you think and where the S&P is going. Anyway, let's start off with our hourly, and I'll make our way down. So if we just look at pre-market, right, right off the bat, you can tell that price is moving up. Um, so it was this area that was very, very vital for the break. In my last video, I was talking about taking buys actually over here, just because of how the structure was, and if I did take those buys, I could have held it through the whole entire session and make a killing at least. Yeah, yeah. I could have made a killing. I think I would have been stopped out after this wick here, so maybe just around $30 move. But who knows? It depends, right? If I was watching it or not, and where I send my take profit. But anyway, as far as pre-markets go, wouldn't be much structure to go off of. So I'd have to wait for the lower time frames. So for now, we'll just chart it as if we're looking at both days. So gonna have something right here. Let's check if it's the same price. Gonna boot that up, good. And we'll have another one right up here. That's good. Okay, and I'll move into our 30 minute. 30 minute looks really nice too. I don't want to move this down a bit more just to go with the closes. Move that down here. Pretty. I'll probably make another one too for pre-market over here, going into the 30th. And another one for the low, which will be right over here. Perfect. Because like that structure is very, very important. Let's move into our 15 minute. See if there's anything else. Nothing else really. In our 15, we're gonna play with the price action a lot. Nothing else really. Pre-market looks really good over here. Really, really good. Just because you have, two little bends that you could have taken the trade off of. What else is there? Yeah, the break over here. Vital. Okay, and now the 5 minute. For the 5 minute, just zoom in a bit. Oh, this looks so ugly on the 5 minute. And we zoom in. Over here looks really good. Just capturing pips wise, like taking buys, like a solid $3, $5 if you wait long enough, 2 hours. Pre-market. Pre-market again. And move down. Okay. So, yeah, this is, about it. Like, price continuously went up. I feel like if you took buys at structure points, you'd be fine. And you'd easily be able to capture, a $5 move. So, like, let's look at over here, for example. Price did not move lower than 250. The lower time frame, there might have been a better opportunity to take it. So if you check over here, see, it might have been pretty bad over here because this thing went down more than $4. But if you took it on the 15 or the 30 minute close, right? Once the hour was up, you would have been completely fine, right? Because it really depends. Like, I got stuck over here actually. Let me just log in. Execution. Yeah. So the lower time frame I actually got stuck because I was looking at the 5 minute. So what happened was I thought that these were gonna actually sell off. So what happened was I took a bunch of sales around, where is it? 2910, 2910, sell there. Yeah, 2910 and 12 actually. And I managed to actually get out at 2907 and some more, and more buys at 2915, 15, and I got out around here. So yeah, that's the 29th. Pre-market also took some trades as well too. In pre-market, I ended up stacking a very large position. I got into a ton of buys in this area after, obviously after market close. This is between 750 and 830. Got in a few positions, and I got into more positions after seeing this. Right. I really should have. Kept this in mind that we were actually in aftermarket, so I couldn't expect it to actually move the same. Usually when you see consolidation like this after a nice little break, price would continue going up, but that didn't happen until later. So now by friggin 2 a.m. price pulls all the way back down, right? And then I get stopped out, and everything pretty much closes, right? I didn't make any money off of that because I didn't move my position into profit or break even. It's kind of unfortunate, but that's life, things like that just happen. And then for Friday, I just decided to take the day off and I didn't do a single trade. The thing about this trade though is that I had my take profit literally up at this level, at the 2941, right? And then I got stopped out. So it really sucks to see that price came to my thing, but I just didn't have the timing correct. And now for the 29th. 29th is, I'd say it's a beautiful day. I thought that we were actually gonna break out on the 29th and head all the way back up to the the 3000 range. That would be really beautiful, but that didn't happen, right? Like I seen this nice 4-hour close here, but we couldn't keep it there, which kind of sucks. Sometimes the 4-hour candle does look different, right, depending on where you're looking at it and when it opens on certain broker times. So you got to really keep that in mind as well. And that's like why I don't like to use the 4-hour candles. I rather stick to my 1 hour, 30-minute, 15.5, because those are going to really be the consistent across all brokers. So if we look at this biggest thing that happened was we couldn't break the pre-market high, like, at all. I assumed again that we were going to continue going up, and that clearly didn't happen. And so at 9:30 price pushed hella down. Like it pushed so much. Like that first 5-minute candle at 9:30 was where is it? Oh, it was pretty. Wait, 9:30. So it wasn't that bad, but the first 15-minute candle, I should say, that's the one that really pushed, right? I guess ended up going down $6. And again, like that's the easy move. This is a large wick where you probably could have taken buys, right, just based on the structure, right? Because if you're assuming that this is going up, right, you took buys here. Let's say you got it, and even after this close, right, this does not move down $2, and you would have made your $5 move easily. And then once it closed down and you got this close, you could have taken a sell just to secure that even up to this level, right? Because again, like if you look at the structure, it's just telling you that it's going down. For me though, when it comes Sunday, Monday, I don't want it to break out of this area before I actually take a trade. because I keep getting stuck in these sideways markets and just losing money, and that's one thing I need to stop doing. Anyways, guys, let's continue trading, and as always, risk on. Bye.